done, kids? I can see your Christmas wreath and snowflake is looking so perfect. I didn't know that you learned so quickly. I'm so proud of you. See, snowflake, I've put it on the tree and tree is looking so beautiful. I agree with you, Merida. Look at the Christmas tree and the snowflake on it. Isn't it looking so pretty? See, kids, didn't I tell you we can make decorative items at our home, and that too quickly. And see, you learned something also. And I am so shocked that you have done it so perfectly. Now let's also decorate the rooms using the Christmas wreath. Okay? Yes, Anna, I agree with you. Let us do one thing. Let's first keep these gifts which we got for kids under the tree. It's right now a mess and the room is not looking proper. And then let's decorate the room with Christmas wreath and then surprise Santa with this decoration for now. Ho ho ho, ho ho ho, I am here, Christmas is here. Wow! The tree is looking so pretty with the snowflake what you have made, and Christmas wreath is looking so awesome. I'm so happy with the decoration. Well done, kids. I didn't know you were so talented. I am so glad, Santa, that you liked our decoration, but this is only partial decoration. We have a surprise for you. We are going to make something which will make you happy. Yes, Anna. Don't tell him. It's a secret, Santa. I am sure you will like it. It's a different kind of decoration. And you know what? Even the kids don't know what it is. We'll make it and we'll teach them and you'll get to know and when we show it to you. Wow, Aunt Merida! What is it? I really want to learn it. I'm so excited to see this. Santa, I'm surely going to learn this and get it for you. It's a big surprise for me and you, but I'm sure you're going to like our surprise. Alright, kids. I am also excited to see what you are going to make for me. I'll wait for this. I'll be back. Goodbye, kids. So, kids, this is the surprise what we were talking about. It's a hut lantern. You know, you might be feeling it's so difficult. A lantern, that too in a hut. But it's very simple to make. This hut is looking so amazing. How did you make it? It's looking very difficult. And how did you keep the candle which is bigger than the door inside the hut? Aunt Merida, please teach us. It's looking exciting. Yes, little Aurora. I'm going to teach you that. But first let me tell you what all we require. So, we require a cardboard, red, green, white foam sheet, a foam board, a battery candle, a leaf punch, gum, Fevicol, whatever you have, scissor, and also one more secret. I have made a template of this house and also added in the link description. Okay, so you can take a printout and use it to make it. Let us now start with the house making. I have used the template and cut the cardboard in that form. Now I am joining the ends by putting glue at one end and making a circle and joining the other part like this. Okay, now I'm covering the hut with the red foam paper. You can use any glue, don't use hot glue gun only. Okay, so I'm just covering it first and then I will cut it from both the ends like this. Okay, now I've already made a cover of the door like this. I've just taken the measure of the door. Now I'm making the window. I've taken 4 by 4 centimeter square and I'm cutting from the center first. Okay, like this. Just see on the screen how I'm cutting. Take help of your mother. Okay. So now I'm just covering the windows from both the ends, putting a thin strip at the center in the plus form. I've made 2 of this windows. Now I'm covering the door first with this, and then I'm putting the windows at both the ends like this. At the center I've put a round shape to give a look. Now I'm using punch to make leaves. Okay, use the green foam paper. Okay, 4 sides, top and bottom, I've used 4 leaves. Now I'm going to decorate the door with the pearl like this. So surrounding the entire door with this pearl and the center with this pearl. We have to cover the house. So I'm using 7 centimeter into 14 centimeter white foam paper and covering this hut. I've covered both the side of the hut's top with green pearl like this. Isn't it looking pretty? Now I've cut the foam board, the base of the hut, using the same measurement, and then I've measured the candle and cut it from the center to stick it. Okay, the reason why we are making the hole, so that we can close and open the candle like this. So we have stuck this. Use help of your mother. Okay, it's a bit dangerous. Now I've placed and stuck the hut and the base. To cover this, I'm using a thin strip of green paper, foam paper, and make it look like a glass. Well done, kids! I am impressed. You guys are fast learner. So girls, tell me, did you like this DIY? Wasn't it simple? And see, our home is looking so pretty. It's all lit up and all Christmassy feels. Yes, Aunt Merida, I just loved making this DIY. I am so glad that I learned this. This is something different. Ho 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 ho. I am back, girls. Wow, this is such a pleasant surprise. I just love this home. Thank you, girls, for making this for me. And thank you, everyone, for making this. Merry Christmas! I'll get gifts for you guys on the Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas!